Hello, and today I will be showing you how to change your profile name in Facebook. So it's pretty easy, it's a few easy steps, and without further ado, let's get right into it. So, the first thing you have to do is go into Facebook, and right here on the bottom right hand corner, you'll be seeing the menu with three lines. You'll be able to click that, and then for that, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Settings and Privacy. You click that arrow down there and you go right down to the Settings tab. In the Settings tab, you'll be able to find the other stuff such as the reaction preferences, something to do with your audience and visibility, as well as your contact information. So in this case, we are going to go down to profile details under the audience and visibility section. Right here, it will be placed right with your contact information, such as your date of birth and your gender, your contact info. So for this, we're gonna go down to other names. Right here, you see my name right there with my nickname. You're going to go right here and click the pencil option, and where it says edit name, you will press edit name. Right here, you will have the option to use it as your nickname, maiden name, alternate name, all these other options. In this case, we are going to use it for maiden name. I'm going to type my full name in this part. Then, when you decided which name you want, you're going to press done. And then after that, you're going to press save. Simple as that. Well, I hope you found this tutorial easy and affordable for yourself. And please comment down below if this helps you. Okay? Well, thank you so much. And as always, take care of yourself.